Hi, I'm Brian Masters with Shiloh Coffee Supply and Hope Coffee, and today I'm going to show you one of the maintenance features on the Fracino Retro that occasionally you'll need to use if you're in a very, very high volume shop. We have a couple of very high volume shops, and so we are pulling these levers hundreds of times throughout the day. And as you pull these levers, you can see, again, this machine's not on, but you can see how this lever action works at the top. There are different bolts and things in there. On occasion, on these high volume shops, these bolts right here will come loose and they will be sticking out just a little bit. And I'm going to show you how to tighten those in just a second. Okay, on the Fracino Retro, this is the example of the head here. We've got it pulled out. I showed you the one behind us. Again, if you are pulling this thing hundreds of times throughout each day, this section may actually become loose and these bolts will come out a little bit. So you want to grab an 8mm Allen wrench, and that is all you need to do is tighten that in there. You can see this one had been quite loose and so it was wobbly in there. So you want to tighten that up and make sure the other side is tight as well. And when you do that, then the whole unit is going to work much, much better. So you can see how these things turn both directions. You need to make sure you're going the right direction to tighten that up to go in there. So once that's tight, we'll get that tight right there. Obviously on this unit, I can't pull that lever because of the way it's sitting on the table. But at that point, then it's not going to wiggle side to side and it's going to pull a better shot for you. So that's how you do maintenance on your Fracino Retro. Well, thank you for watching these videos from Shiloh Coffee Supply. We have great videos that you can subscribe below on how to use the Fracino machines, as well as how to repair or do any of the maintenance on the Fracino espresso machines and their grinders. Appreciate it very much and have a great day.